Say hi to the camera.
Say hi, Dave.
Say hi to Mommy, David.
Hi, Dave. And where's Daddy? Hi, Daddy.
And here's his body.
And there's Uncle Michael and Cousin Sophie-kins.
And here's Mr. Potato Head.
Hi, Sophie. Hi. And there's Mr. Potato Head. Let's get a close-up. Wow, he's handsome. Who made him?
Look, Sammy.
Nana made him with some help from the boys. There's Alexi taking pictures. Hi. Here's me.
Different pieces.
Hi. I've never had a picture.
I'm trying to think of something funny to say. How about Happy New Year?
That's good.
We'll be back. That's hilarious.
Open that, okay.
Daddy, what are you building?
Sorry, Michael.
Honeybee hawk.
Uh-oh.
Is that for Sophie? Did Nana give that to her?
Pizza?
Yeah.
Where should we put the pizza?
Sweetheart, can you give this back to Aunt Stacy, please? Thank you.
The pizza?
He put it in his hand?
What is in his hand? Yeah, maybe that's it. We'll put pizza
Thank
in
you,
his
sweetheart.
hand, see?
Are you all done with it?